Goa may be the small in size, but our dream in sports are big. Our government continues to invest in building the sports infrastructure, coaching support, and youth program that encourage every child to take up a sports. Through the Directorate of the Sports and Youth Affairs and the Sports Authority of Goa, the several stadium, ground, and the training centers have been upgraded to the international standard. Our goal is clear to make Goa is the destination for both the national and international sporting event. The arena you see around you, the Dayananda Bandodkar Krida Sankul at Pedem, has already witnessed some proud moments. The 2 years ago, during the National Games 2023, the gymnastic from the every corner of India filled with this very stadium with the energy, color, and celebrations. Today, the story continue, but this time, the cheers will echo in these many languages of Asia. This is the stage where the young athletes will rise and where the flag of the many nations will fly together. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has given India a clear call through Fit India movement to make this fitness the way of life. The gymnastic, in many ways, represent what Fit India stands for: balance, focus, coordinations, and inner strength. When we host the events like this, we are inspiring the generations to move, the train, and believe in themselves. This championship brings together the nations. It also reminds us what excellence in not born overnight. It built through the years of practice and persistence and patience. To all the athletes present here, welcome to Goa. This championship belongs to you. In these coming days, this arena will become your world. So compete with honesty, enjoy your moment, and remember that every person in this tent is cheering for you. Apart from the representing your country, you are representing the spirit of Yuva Shakti, which means the power of youth.